We have really big news for the crypto market. You know all those ETF applications that have been submitted to the SEC? Well, there's a meeting between all those companies like BlackRock, part of the cabal, Fidelity, and all those between them and the SEC. This could signal that the SEC is ready to relent their grip on power and approve some of those ETFs. I don't know how many of them. We know that CBOE and ARK Invest are the first two that are up for approval. Maybe they'll make some more demands, but it is rumored that this meeting will take place next week. And I think it's pretty much confirmed that it will take place next week. So the US SEC will reportedly hold a meeting with applicants of spot Bitcoin exchange related funds, according to a securities attorney who claims to have inside information. Now, some inside information can be more like meh, but I think this one's actually pretty good. It's not like a crypto YouTuber influencer that's reporting this. It's actually an attorney that actually works with these companies that's kind of leaking this out. So this could be really, really big. His name, Bias Knox, and an expert on ETFs and crypto regulation. He tweeted Wednesday that the meeting will take place with the SEC's Trades and Markets Division. That's the division that deals with ETFs and major security market participants. And the meeting will actually give some insight, but will it give more than just some insight? Will they actually say, we're going to approve it in X amount of time, or we need to see this much more before we approve it? Or maybe they'll do like a backhanded deal, like, we need to pretend to not approve any of these to bring the market down so the fat cats like you guys can get in cheaper. That could also be the case. But I think we're making real progress. Basically, like Eric Balchunas is saying, spot Bitcoin ETF filers and the SEC meeting next week. According to this guy who we have found to be a reliable expert on the stuff, and honestly, they shouldn't meet, they def need to talk. Now, this could all be planned out. They could all already be like planning to accept it. We don't really know. Of course, this inside source is pretty good. It's much better than any crypto YouTuber. And, I think it has a high chance of being accurate. And, the thing is, we could actually get approval this month or possibly even next week. Imagine next Monday we wake up and we're saying, hey, spot ETFs approved, Bitcoin's at $50,000 for some reason. And we're like, what the hell just happened? That would spark some real interest and that would pour a lot of institutional money into Bitcoin. So I think if you want to actually buy in, I think you need to start DCAing now. I mean, there's always a chance the SEC is just going to reject all of them, I guess. So you do have to take that risk. But based on the circumstances, I think that's kind of unlikely. And I think it's more likely that they're working towards approval of an ETF. Maybe the SEC will wink, wink, nod, nod on them next week saying, hey, we're going to actually approve it. Get your bags ready because price ain't going down anytime soon. So this meeting, I have high hopes for. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.